Hey everyone, in today's comparison, we're looking at Blender and Fusion 360 to figure out which one is better for 3D printing. Whether you're making artistic models or engineering parts, this should help clear things up. So, Blender is mainly an artistic tool. It's great for sculpting, characters, organic shapes, and creative modeling. Fusion 360 is a CAD program built for precision and engineering, where every detail is dimension-based and editable. Blender uses mesh modeling, which is awesome for organic designs, while Fusion uses parametric modeling, which is much better for exact measurements and mechanical parts. If something needs to fit perfectly, Fusion makes it way easier. For precision, Fusion really stands out. It lets you set exact tolerances and measurements. Blender can be accurate too, but it takes more manual effort and it's not as straightforward. Blender shines when you need creative freedom, curves, sculptures, miniatures, anything artistic. Fusion shines when you're making brackets, enclosures, hinges, gears, or prototypes that need structural accuracy. Both can export STL and OBJ files, but Fusion usually produces cleaner geometry. Blender sometimes needs mesh cleanup before slicing, especially if the model has holes or non-manifold edges. The learning curve is different too. Blender is powerful but has a ton of features that can overwhelm beginners. Fusion is easier to learn for mechanical modeling, and the parametric workflow helps keep things organized. So, which one is better for 3D printing? If you're making artistic prints, Blender is the better pick. If you're making functional, mechanical, or precision-dependent parts, Fusion 360 is the stronger choice. And honestly, a lot of makers end up using both depending on the project. And yeah, that's a full comparison. Hopefully, this helped you decide which tool fits your workflow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check the description for more modeling and printing guides.